Good morning friends, today it's 16th of Jan 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday also we mentioned that Nifty can witness a pullback from the lows of 23,000, 22,800 which is a important support levels, and yesterday we have seen that Nifty consolidated within a range of 23,200, 23,345. It's a narrow range before ending the session almost flat. Today on the back of positive global cues we are expecting a pullback and further up move. As mentioned a day before that the pullback can even stretch towards the highs of 23,600, 23,850 odd levels in the best case scenario, which remains an important midterm resistance where a fresh selling pressure will be expected. So holding over and above 23,000, 22,750 zone, the bias will remain range to positive and pullback. Today for the day we are expecting a positive gap up opening, and there we can expect Nifty 50 futures to witness resistance initially at around 23,490 and 23,560. These are the intraday sell levels, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while dips towards 23,150, 23,050 as intraday supports which can be looked for buying, keeping a stop below 50 points. Today being a weekly closing for Nifty, we can expect a volatile session. As per the OI data, 23,300 and 23,200, these are the call and put buildups, which it's a very narrow range, but overall as per the price and OI study, the bias is expected to remain range to positive over and above 23,200, and some decent up move towards even 23,500 cannot be ruled out today. In respect with Bank Nifty, we witnessed a volatile session before ending the session marginally in red between 48,630 and 49,230. It ended the session at 48,892 and holding over and above 48,500. As per the intraday charts, the bias remains range to over up. Yesterday also we mentioned that the pullback can test the highs of 50,500 to 51,000 in the best case scenario, which remains an important hurdle on a midterm time frame, and this hurdle need to sustain for further short covering and fresh buying interest, else it will drift down back to lower levels. As per OI data, maximum put buildup is at around 48,000 levels and maximum call buildup is also at 51,000, which remains similar to the price study range. For the intraday players, 48,750, 48,350, these are important levels. Dips toward these levels can provide a better risk reward ratio for going long, keeping a stop of 100 odd points, while move towards 49,550 and 49,850 can be looked for contra trading shorts, keeping a strict stop loss of not more than 100 odd points. Overall, in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can expect some kind of range bound with a positive and pullback outlook in days to come. If we talk about sectors, we can see some kind of positive actions in Adani Group, banking, capital goods, cement and auto pack, while a mixed reaction can be expected in all marketing companies, IT, FMCG and pharma. Overall, the pullback should be looked to play with a hedge to long outlook in these segment. Banking space remains slightly oversold, and thus we are putting more focus over banking space, capital goods, and on the back of the news we can expect some positive reactions in Adani Group also. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.